Hi and welcome back. Back in the time you learned about markers and smart markers in Reaper. Now it's time for the item markers. These are markers within the items. By moving the item that has the smart markers, you move also them accordingly by keeping their related positions. To set them up is quite easy. Position the playhead where you want to set the marker up. Select the item, right key, take marker, and you get the three main options. Select Add, Edit, Take Marker at Cursor Position. Type a name. You can change the color if you want. OK. OK, the marker is created. To quickly edit it, double-click on it. By moving the item, the marker will follow it accordingly, as I said. That's it. Thanks for watching.